Good morning. My name is Lady Paola Pinto, Kodak Case. The Kodak company wanted to make a transformation so that it would be a digital photographic company. It set clear objectives, but it was very difficult for the company to achieve these objectives since they did not have good organizational management. Adopting disruptive digital innovation while maintaining the disruptive fields and photos finish, Buzzing turned out to be a failure should continued to exploit traditional technology. But this had very little impact on the commercial level, so the company declined as was already developed others company. Causes at Kodak they that specialized more in film and printing of photography than in the manufacture of cameras, and the world no longer needed to print. It was enough to save the images of the computer on CDs, publish their network social impact. Holding on to what worked so well in the past became a drag for Kodak. They desperately wanted to encourage people to print the pictures, but the rulers of the game have changed. Analog was destined to be displaced with the digital and the physical images for the virtual